Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, click it in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notifications, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down, you keep going down here, you come here to reminders and promotions, just click on it. So then you just click here on push. Then like you see this color for us, that's mean here reminders and promotions notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you.